Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And this actually is an old unboxing. I had this box for a while, so finna get right into it. Not finna waste too much time. I could have been had this out a long time ago. I just been slacking, slipping on my pimping, slacking on my hacking, all that good shit. And I won these in raffle. Yeah, sneakers and stuff. I'm not gonna actually put the receipt in there because it got my address on there. Y'all already know what these is, man. Y'all know which 500s just came out, man. Wow. Hold on. And these are the Yeezy 500 salts. Colorway on this is salsa. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, that's the colorway on that. And honestly, I got these because I got all the rest of the salts. I said salts. 500s. Except for the blushes. I don't have the blushes. Honestly, I didn't like the blush. They kind of remind me of like chewed up bubble gum or something. So I didn't ever go for the blush. And now I'm mad because I'm like, fuck, I could have just completed the whole 500 shit. So I gotta somehow get the blush. But these actually kind of look like the blushes. And the tags, of course, come on the left shoe. So the review will be going on the right shoe. So let me get all that full 360 look all the way around of these alien joints. Yes, these do look like the Roach from Man in Black should have had these bitches on right here. When he was fucking the city up, he should have been walking around in these motherfuckers. But yes, these are the salts and I mean, once you seen one 500, you basically seen them all. It's just different colorways of this one shoe. But yeah, man, let me get all that look. Of course, you have the thick, hairy suede right here on the toe box. And the suede on Yeezys is always good. Like, that's one thing you can't take away from them. Like, the material they use on all the Yeezys are always good. Suede right here, thick hairy suede. You have like leather mesh material going on right here on the little lace holder, the aglets. You have leather trimming around, and you have like that thick hairy suede right there. Standard lace system. You have like leather with mesh. Like, the shoe is crazy. The shoe is everywhere, I'm not gonna lie. Mesh right here in the middle. Leather trimming going all the way around. You have a little pull tab right here. Side panel. Like, you got that little soft foam material with the mesh overlay. You have that Adidas, or yeah, I think that's what this is. Yeah. Adidas midsole, big, chunky. But it's soft though. Like, it's big, soft, chunky. Inside of the shoe, you have the Adidas Yeezy Ortholite insole. So you know these is for dads. Adidas hint right there. Back of the shoe, you have mesh on the back of the shoe. Suede, leather. Like, it's literally everywhere though. Like, the shoe is like everywhere, I swear. Mesh, leather, suede. There you go right there. Adidas, that is the midsole. That's why it's soft. There's no boost. And the insole is that Ortholite insole, which is soft. Kind of forms to your feet. That's where you get orthopedic shoes from, with people with bad backs and all that stuff. So this is actually a dad shoe. But yeah, man, that's the only reason I really got this. And it got a little tumble look right there. But this is a nubuck. This is actually a nubuck. Rubber hint right here for the mud guard. Rubber for the mud guard. Oh no, this got that them 11s, them 12 feel like, it feel like a nubuck, but it also feel like a leather too. You see how the little tumble look right there. Yeah, but these actually do look a lot like the blushes. Even though I never had them, I seen them, but actually you can see like the pinkish in the blush more than these. Have the real crazy outsole on here. This some thick ass, hard ass rubber right there, bro. But yeah, crazy ass. Look like that. Used to trace the line. Used to be like a bowl of cereal right here and a spoon right there. And you gotta trace it on the back of the cereal box to get the spoon to the bowl of cereal. That's exactly what this look like. Non-marking. On the bottom it says non-marking. So I guess the outsole of the shoe is scratch proof, I'm guessing. Whatever, you know, the Addy print might just cut right through it. Little Adidas hint right there on the front of the toe. But yeah, man, it ain't pretty much too much to this shoe. This is kind of like a lighter supermoon yellow and a lighter blush. Like, this is basically like, if I pull my piss rat yellows out, it'll damn near look just like these, just kind of a different color. So anyways, man, you seen one of them, you just seen them all, because they pretty much coming out with the same colorway. So like I said, like in my earlier videos, they need to throw some crazy colors on this shoe to get that hype. But I think if they come out with this shoe with like 2 or 3 different colors on there, the hype on these right here definitely go up. Like seriously, I don't know if anybody else said that, but if they didn't, you heard it first from here. But anyways, man, this is the unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.